It is time to check out my room at Siva Golden Bay Hotel in Makadi Bay. I'm staying at room 717 and that's me. So let's check out my crib for the next 7 nights. I got upgraded from a deluxe double room to a suite apparently, but I'm thinking that if the suite is in this condition, I just wonder how would the deluxe room be. But it's quite nice actually. Anyway, we have a spacious bathroom with lots of amenities here. And there is a hair dryer, there is a zoom-in mirror, a spacious shower with shower gel and shampoo. Here we have lots of storage facility and also a safe. Mirror, another mirror in the hallway, and this is the double bed, even a ventilation system and Wi-Fi as well in the room. Here we have some water kettle with coffee and tea. I got a list of all the all-inclusive amenities as I am in all-inclusive, and oh, a bathrobe, 2 of them actually, but I will be staying alone in the room. This small sofa, 2 chairs like it is from Cleopatra time, a mini fridge also that has drinks, even beer somehow. We have a TV, and they have left me also fruits and sweets as well for welcome. And I also got a welcome drink at the Cincinnati bar, is it called? I think so. There is a phone, and if you dial 0, it will take you to the reception and talk to for some requests. And here is the balcony with sea view and desert view also. As this hotel, Siva Golden Bay, it's on the very end in Makadi Bay. And there we have also the sunset. And this would be my crib for the next 7 nights. And I'm so glad because there is a wonderful coral reef right down on the beach. It has 120 steps down the beach actually. And it is possible to snorkel there every day as there is no wind, as you can see. So yes, that's the room. Apparently it's a suite, this one. And in the all-inclusive program, I was also upgraded to have 5 a la carte restaurants and drinks included also for me as a special guest. There is also a buffet and yeah, lots of stuff to explore. So I will be now heading to the beach, but before that I'm gonna get some snack as I have booked the a la carte restaurant, the steakhouse, for tonight to check it out. Let me show you more of the room and how the view is from the bed as well. The room is quite spacious, a little bit outdated, but it has everything you need. Even 2 pair of slippers. I have received. Yeah, that is then a wrap, and I'm gonna end up with a short view over the sea. Cheers, and let's start the vacation at Makadi Bay at Siva Golden Bay Hotel. Let's go!